also someone who still sends WhatsApp messages on group for the bulk messaging? Then this tutorial is definitely for you. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing trick of WhatsApp broadcasting which is going to help you send bulk WhatsApp messages even with their personalized name to your 100 plus WhatsApp chats, that too individually without creating a single group. So here on my screen you can see a WhatsApp message that I've sent as a bulk WhatsApp messages to all my customers in just one click. And to set up this process, I have used a WhatsApp broadcast with all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here to start with the process, you need to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now from sign in, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow. But if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so once you're going to access the Pabbly Chatflow, it will direct you to a dashboard like this. And here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. To know how you can connect yours, you can watch out the video tutorials available on our YouTube channel or in the description box as well. Alright, so in this video, we are going to learn how you can set up the WhatsApp broadcast. So for that, we are going to access this broadcast section available over here. Now under this broadcast section, you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live, sent and scheduled broadcast. Here to create a new one, we are going to click on the Add Broadcast button and it has directed us to the WhatsApp broadcast window. From here, we are going to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign from the drop down. And for the name, I'm going to give the name as new broadcast. Alright, you can give the name as per your requirement. Then comes the contact list. So here I already have an existing contact list. I'm going to select that, and also you can select multiple contact list in this section. And to learn how you can create bulk contacts or normal contacts in your Pabbly Chatflow account, you can watch out the separate tutorial available for the same feature on our YouTube channel or in the description box as well. For now, I've selected the existing contact list and then comes the message type. You can see two methods. One is pre-approved template message or a regular message. If you want to send the regular message, then you can select the message type from the drop down and you can also write a message over here and have a preview for the same in the right side. For now, I'm going to use a pre-approved template message. So here I've already created a template for my business and I'm going to use that over here. If you want to learn how you can create this template, then you can watch out that tutorial as well available on our YouTube channel or in the description box. For now, I'm going to select this particular template and here let me tell you that you can also make this template personalized using variables. You will get to learn about the same in the tutorials available on our YouTube channel. Alright, here I've selected my template. Let's move forward. Then here it is asking me to test my broadcast message before sending it to my wider audience. So for that, I'm going to test this broadcast by sending it on my own phone number. Alright, here I've successfully added my username and the phone number and then we're going to click on the send test message. It says test broadcast sent. Let's go and check our WhatsApp and you can see instantly I have received a message over here which is exactly same as of my template. Alright, so now after testing the broadcast, it is asking me to schedule the broadcast. If you want, you can send this instant broadcast by selecting no option, or to schedule it for the later, select yes. Here you need to select a particular date and time. Make sure you're selecting a future date and time, because if you're selecting a past date and time, that is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Alright, then we're going to click on the Add Broadcast and you can see a new broadcast has been scheduled over here. So this was a simple technique of sending bulk WhatsApp messages to your bulk contacts. And now here, once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you can have the data for sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. Also, you can resend your broadcast message to valid failed contacts by selecting this resend option available over here. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to send bulk WhatsApp messages using this WhatsApp WhatsApp broadcast technique. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is available on your screens. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.